going to show you how to make sticky rice, okay? So first, we put the water in the bucket first. Second, this is bamboo bucket. I'm going to steam my sticky rice in this bamboo. You can go Thai market to buy this one. It's only $4-5. Not that bad. You can use all year long. It's very good, healthy bamboo bucket. Okay, this is sticky rice. This is Korean sticky rice. I soak overnight in the water so make them stay soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop in the bucket right there. Oh, I'm sorry. Drop in the bucket right there. Yep, get everything out to the bucket because rice is very important to us. You know, we grow up with this. So rice is like a number one of our life for Asian people, especially Lao and Thai. Yep, just go like that, make nice and neat, and then everything go in same season and get it into the bucket. Just like that, right? Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. Steam about 20 minutes or 25 or 30 minutes, even better. Okay, so let's go start it. It's sticky right in the bucket right now. Steam about 10-25 minutes good. Okay, let's cover. I have to cover. Okay, 10-15 minutes will be fine. Okay, let's go. Let them cook. Be back in it. Okay, 15 minutes went by. The rice already cooked. Cover right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to flip over. Okay, what I do? Just like that. I just put this one like smack it down like that. Just turn over. Okay, I have to show you better. Okay, just like that. See that? Just like that. Just like that. Okay, put back in 10 minutes. Turn over like that. Now what you do, just turn the rice like this, make them come easy steam even. Okay, I'm cover again for 10 minutes. Alright. Okay, 10 minutes been by, it's done. Okay, I'll show you how to put this rice stay warm all the time. Okay, rice done. So first I'm gonna go ahead just make them evenly turn over, and after that I'm gonna put in the pot right here. Cooking rice pot warm up. Just put in there. Just transfer it over here. Okay, one last one. Here, the rice in the warm up pot right here. This is cooking rice pot. And just put in here and let them stay warm until you want to eat. Stay warm in here, and you can pick up and eat anytime you want, just like that. Okay, guys, very easy. And then close it when you want to eat. Open up anytime. Stay all day long today. Okay, that's done. Let's move next step. This is sticky right how to cook. Very easy. 30 minutes, 15 minutes of another side, 15 minutes from first side, 10 minutes of second side, and that's done. I'll put in there. You can stay there all day, eat. Alright, guys. Thank you. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make ginger sauce, guys. Ginger sauce is to take care of your immune system, especially for COVID-19. You really wanna eat food turn out to the medicine. I'm gonna show you how to make a ginger sauce. Okay, this is ginger. I'm already cleaned up everything good. And this is hot pepper and garlic. Go ahead, put a lot because this is gonna be turn out medicine for you guys. Hot pepper. It's vitamin C, all kind of benefit. Take care of your immune system. You know, garlic, you take care of your infection. It's very good. You know, you eat food like that, you're gonna be losing weight. You're not gonna get fat. And plus, benefit for the COVID-19. Okay, hot pepper, garlic, ginger. All right, this is the herb, the musty herb. I'm gonna use it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the skin pork. To make a flavor, this skin pork right here is no fat, okay, only skin, and this is no fat. This is from Lao. People make this no fat, only skin, no fat at all. Okay, and the last one I'm gonna using dry fish, the okay, fish powder. This is from Thailand. This is very good. I'm gonna using fish to make a ginger sauce. Okay, guys, to keep it in for a long time. Let's go start it. Okay, so let's go start cut the ginger. I'm gonna cut the ginger, all of this. Finish all of this. I have just keep cutting. Okay, let's finish cut this ginger. ginger already. Okay, let's go start cooking. Okay, let's go start. Roast hot pepper and garlic. This is olive oil. Right here, I'm using this kind. Okay, let's put it right there. This hot pepper and garlic, throw it down. Roast it. Start roasting garlic and hot pepper right now. Ginger. Gonna go ahead roast it together too. Make the food like a medicine. Take care of yourself, guys. So easy, probably. Now I will roast it about 20 minutes, okay? So let them caramelize together. I'm gonna cover up for 20 minutes. Let them cooking and roasted smell good together, okay? This is fish powder. You know, bar, okay? Gel bar, gel ching bar. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, take this out. All of this in the bowl. Get ready. 100% fish. They ground them. They roast them and they ground them from the jaw. So I'm take it out, put it in the bowl, get ready. This kind is fried fish right here. You go to Thai market in the jaw, okay, guys? Okay, when I roast it, I'm gonna turn the heat low, in the low heat, okay? Let them come cooking for 20 minutes. Okay, guys, my ingredient gonna make good taste. Gonna be 3 crab fish sauce, chicken broth powder, and sugar. Okay, let's go. Put them together. Put the fish sauce there, about 5 spoon, okay? Second, gonna be a chicken broth powder, 1 spoon, 2 spoon. I put 3 spoon in here, okay? There you go. Get the sugar. I'm gonna put 1 big spoon. Okay, everything not enough, we always fix it, but right now that's why I put it. Just what you see right now. Let's put them together, let them go stew. Like I said, total 20 minutes to be cooking ginger very well and roast the hot pepper, everything. Okay, once the ginger, I'm gonna add on the water, make them have a little moist and juice. Let them cook down, okay? This is pork skin. I don't have the food process, guys, so I'm using this one. Just blend it down, okay? Just this one right here. It worked for me. Next time I'll go get professional blenders, but I don't have it today. I'm gonna use what I got right now. Okay, see that worked very well. I love this machine. It worked very well. Okay, that's done right there. Okay, 20 minutes been by. Okay, the ginger cooked. I am gonna go ahead and put the fish powder down right here. Okay, let them cook together. This is gonna be good. Turn out medicine and a lot of flavor. You know, whoever don't eat meat, this is the one for you. Okay, gonna turn out delicious. Wow, it tastes so good. Cook together. Cooking is no rule, guys. You really want to cook what you got in the refrigerator. Just cook egg. But I'm cook egg person. I'm cook something that's not even in the menu. Just go ahead, cook what you got. Ginger sauce. Hey, you cannot lose all the vinegar, okay? I am gonna add some more water to make easy to blend it, and we have some more juice to dipping. Okay, this is the main one, Lao fish sauce. Flavor of Lao household people we using. We never missing this sauce. We always have this in the house. I'm gonna go ahead and put it 1 big spoon in there. Okay, that's it. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Like I said, if you really want any kind of sauce, I mean the fish sauce, soy sauce, whatever, you go to Thai market, okay? If you live at DMV, 54 Bangkok at Columbia Pike, go there, only one Thai market, big one, you got everything you need, so go get it, everything there. And 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to get this done. Okay, take off, get ready to finish it up. Okay, this is pork I just chopped a few minutes ago. I'm gonna go ahead and put them together right here. Put all of them together right here. Oh yes. Machine again. I'm gonna go ahead and keep blend it until they become together. Okay, because I don't have food processor. Next time I will have the professional food processor. See, they're melting right now. Oh yes. Okay, keep going until I'm done. See that they all will come together. Take a little time to do this. If you got processed food processed, I finish in 5 minutes. Okay, that's good. See that? Become very good and delicious. This is food that our medicine, guys. Very easy to make this. Make this a lot to the freezer, and you can eat later and later until you finish and make again, guys. So easy. Okay, very easy. some juice and put out in here. And we'll mix together. This sauce, awesome guys. Cooking food turn out medicine. COVID-19, you're gonna eat good food like a medicine, strong, and take care of yourself. And don't worry about medicine. This is gonna be the best medicine ever I cook in the house. Okay guys, look at this. Done. Just like that. Let's taste. Oh my goodness, so good. Ooh, so good. You guys, this is the bomb.com. It's bomb.com. Go ahead, make that. You know, if you don't mind, you can put in a sandwich. You can put in a sandwich and eat it just like that. If you have rice, dip with rice, steamed vegetable, and rice, but you got sandwich, just put in sandwich and whatever you want topping on later on, you do it. Can be your choice, okay? Like that, guys, put in container and put in the freezer, and you can always eat later. It's more, you got small container, put in there and put in refrigerator. Okay, guys, just put in the container just like that. See that? Okay, when it's done, I put in the container, put in the freezer, and eat later. Just like that. See that, guys? Ginger sauce, fish, and ginger. Look at that. Put in the freezer. Alright, this is my job done. Look at that. I got 2 containers and small little one. But I'm gonna eat right now. I'm gonna show you how to eat this. Now everything ready. Put in the refrigerator. Okay, put in the refrigerator, guys, and then you can eat later. If you not finish it up, I know you're not. I'm not finished it. Just go ahead and put it in the freezer. Put in the freezer. Now put in the refrigerator and cool down for a minute, and then after that I put in the freezer, guys. Okay, see that? All the good food make in no time. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to eat with my topping vegetable. You don't like vegetable, that's fine. That's how you get medicine come from. You eat a lot of vegetable. And this ginger sauce right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set it together and eat. Okay, I show you I cooked rice early today. See that? Open that. Still hot. Okay. Okay, let me get this one out and eat together with ginger sauce right here. Just like that. Okay guys, there you have it. Sticky rice, fish, ginger sauce, and the vegetable. Oh my god, this food right here turned out medicine. You have to learn how to cook food turn out to medicine, guys. Believe in me. If you follow me, it's so easy, very simple. Just do what I do and then go ahead try to cook at home. If you don't like rice, you always put in a sandwich and eat it. It's just so good. Try it. You toast the bread and then you put this on and then that's it. Here you go. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, sit down and eat my good medicine food I've been cooking because coronavirus. You have nothing to do. You stay home, all you do is just go eat good food and eat. That's it. It's simple, is it? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.